High Level CRM automations for your contracting, home renovation, home service pro business. This is some of the most powerful automations that you can put in your business to automate and control the flow of data to increase sales, because that's what it's all about. It's all about increasing the amount of revenues you bring in. So we're going to use our CRM to do just that, okay? We're going to easily and quickly create an automation that will take a lead that is submitted on a funnel page, a landing page, or a website, and put it into an automation anytime someone fills out the form, okay? So this is very straightforward, but very powerful. You can imagine you have your website or landing page or a combination of both, and that form is being used. So when someone submits the information, here's what we want to do. We want to send the prospect an email and an SMS saying, thank you, we received your information, our team is on top of it, and we'll reach out to you shortly. And then we want to send a trigger to the owner, to whoever owns the CRM, to say, hey, you've got a new lead. You've got to reach out to this person right away, okay? Typically, we hope that you answer your phone when it rings, but if someone submits a form and is looking for some follow-up information, we hope you get back to them right away. Okay, so we're in the CRM, we're under automations, and we're going to create a workflow. We're gonna start it from scratch. You could select a recipe that does any of these things, but typically I just start from scratch. I find it easier and I understand it better. So we're gonna create a workflow from scratch. We're just gonna first name this test, and we're gonna add a trigger. And we're gonna say it's a trigger from a form that is submitted. So let's say that. Let's add the filter, select it. The form is, so you select form is. And then we're gonna select a form. Now, you can build a form for it right away, or you can just select one. So for now, I'm just going to say it's going to be this Human Touch CRM form. We're gonna grab that and we're gonna save the trigger. So let me just go to here. So if you are on this landing page for our CRM, this is the form we're talking about. So anybody that submits this form, this is what I want you to do, right? So we're gonna say, okay, let's tag it so that it's easy to know where this lead came from. And let's just say it is Human Touch, there it is there. So Human Touch CRM lead, okay? So now we're gonna tag that lead information with that, okay? We are now going to put them in, or you can set up a pipeline. So we could add, let's say, pipeline, or it's called opportunity. We can create an opportunity in whatever pipeline we choose. Let's say it's Human Touch. Now these are already pre-done, okay? The pipeline stage is a new lead. The opportunity name is, I'm just gonna put down here, contact.name. So now the person's name on that form is gonna be put across here. This is going to be, I'm just gonna say website form lead. And if I know what the value of this lead on average could be, I could put that in here. Say it's like 500 bucks. So that is going to build on our dashboard on the front end of the CRM, kind of like a monthly potential sales volume, okay? And I'm gonna save that. Sales status open, okay? I'm gonna save that. Okay, what did I miss out? I don't think I can have the $sign. Save. So now the trigger comes in, the form comes in, we add a tag, we actually create an opportunity in the system for it. And now we're going to set up an email that sends directly out to that prospect. So it's going to be from, this will be, I'm going to just say Human Touch CRM. Our email is info@humantouchcrm.ca. Subject is thank you. So now it's like, hey, and we're going to put down a custom value, contact, first name. So now it'll read out, hey, and whatever contact name they put on the form, it's going to spell that out. And I'm going to just say, thank you. Our team has received your information and will reach out to you shortly. Okay. And we might even want to say view website. And then we could just hyperlink that to the website. Okay, action, new window, and save. And save. So now we've just sent an email to the prospect, but what if we want to really impress them and say, okay, let's wait 1 minute. And now we're going to send out an SMS message. Same scenario. Hey, and we're going to put down contact name. Contact is going to be first name. Thank you. Our team has received your information and will reach out to you shortly. Okay. Now we can add an attachment, a logo, whatever we want, but we don't have to. We're just going to send them an SMS message. So we're going to save that. So right off the bat, we have an email that goes out right away as soon as that lead form is submitted. We wait 1 minute and then we send out an SMS. Okay, that's awesome. So that's going to the prospect, and you can actually say email to prospect. So when you come in here at a glance, you'll know what it is, and SMS to prospect. Save. Okay, cool. We're not done yet. This is the power of once you set up an automation one time, it works forever. Now, we want to notify the owner of the business to say, hey, you've got a new lead. So we're going to click this. We're going to scroll down until we see send internal notification. We're going to click that. We're going to say we want to notify the business owner by text message. We could select all users in the CRM get this message. We could assign it to a specific salesperson. In this case, I'm going to give it a custom number and send the request straight to the owner. Okay. And I'm going to just say, hey, Paul, he's the owner. You have a new potential customer requesting information. Please reach out to them within the next 5 minutes to help with your conversion rates. Okay, so lead details. And this is where I can put whatever's on the form. So we got first name, last name, email, phone, message. I can put that on the actual form now. So I'm going to say first name, last name, phone, email, message, and then thank you, Paul. Now, we're going to come back to first name. We're going to select the custom field for that. Last name, we're going to select the custom field for that. Phone, we're going to select the custom field for that. Email, we're going to do the same thing. And message, we'll do the same thing. Message is right here, and it's the message body. So now this is going to pull the info from the contact card, from the form submit, and it's going to send me an SMS message with this detail. I'm going to save that action. Okay? So that's going to be an internal notification to owner. Okay, I'm going to just copy this for a minute, save. Now, I also want the owner to get an email. So we're going to come down here and say send internal notification. This time we want it to be an email. It's going to be from Human Touch CRM, which the email is info@humantouchcrm.ca. Select the user. We're going to do a custom email. So it would be like, so the owner is, so it'll be the same email in this case because it's going to the owner, info@humantouchcrm.ca, new lead. Okay. And you can just say, hey, Paul, congratulations. Oh my goodness, I can't spell. And then we'll paste the information in there. And then we'll save that. And this is going to be internal email to Paul. And we're going to save that. Okay. Okay, or to owner. So you see what we've just done here. I'm going to save this. Okay. The last step would be to publish it. Just click on that, but I'm not going to do that because this is a test. So what happens? So now, anytime someone fills out this form, this automation is going to do all your work for you. And you can set this up. It could be any kind of trigger. So it could be, okay, look, trigger this on a Facebook lead ad form, and then you just select the lead ad form, whichever form it is, this human touch, save trigger. So now I have two triggers happening here. So if someone submits a lead from the ad on Facebook, we're going to put this workflow to them. If someone submits the form from the website, we're going to put that automation to them. There's lots of things you can do here. Can you imagine maybe right under here, we say wait, and we're going to add in a 1 minute. We're going to add in a ringless voice drop. Voicemail. That is so cool. Now we just upload a file. It could be something like, hey, it's Paul from Human Touch CRM. If we've talked, thank you. I appreciate your time and I hope I've earned your business. If we haven't spoke yet, give it a few minutes and our team will reach out to you shortly. Thank you. So now that prospect gets an email from you, he gets an SMS, and then maybe an hour or two later, he gets a ringless voice drop. Now, a ringless voice drop with carriers only works about 75% of the time because 75% of the people have voicemail on their mobile phones. And it rings it once and then it just plops the message right into their phone. So this is a great way to handle customer service, to up-level your service game, to make you look bigger than maybe you actually are, to remove all of these small mundane tasks that are important to customers or potential customers, all by using one simple automation in your CRM or in our CRM. And we have to remember, I'm going to just save that. This is just one functionality that you could use inside of here. You can imagine creating a workflow, selecting a recipe and saying, okay, let's use, 1 second here. Let's use appointment confirmation, reminder, survey, and review request. So if I selected this, this would set up an automated workflow already set up. All you have to do is connect a few small things that would connect appointment confirmations, reminders, send out a survey to that prospect, and a review request. That is so cool. What if we wanted to do a GMB business message? So you know on your Google business profile, you can turn messaging on. Well, what if we send an automation right off the bat when someone messages Say, got it, we got your information, we'll be in touch shortly, hang tight, whatever that looks like. Very powerful. These are all what we call workflows, and you can set them up inside of Human Touch CRM. So I'm hoping this has added some value to you. It's very powerful. It's a high-level CRM automation that works extremely well inside of our CRM. Okay, I almost forgot. Listen, join our free contractor community at contractorsmarketinghub.com. That's contractorsmarketinghub.com. There's a plethora of training inside for marketing for contractors. There's other contractors inside. It's a community where you can have discussions, see what's working for people, see what's not working for people. And I hope you join it. Again, it's a free community where you can learn more about marketing for contractors. We also have a pocket coaching program. It's only $29 a month. It's $1 a day. And that puts me in your pocket with all kinds of marketing tips and information and easier access to me to help you with your business and your marketing and bringing in ROI. Okay, thank you.